Arey, the result is already out. Why more discussions on this? See. Just listen. I was very clear when I started the campaign where I would stand. So that I don't have to, explain afterwards. I had already explained before why I was with the BJP, what I was, everything I explained. And I was very clear. The person who had helped me, the people who have helped me, I have to be with them. I can't be ungrateful. Now, what rest? And even I had told how many votes we would get. We have almost touched that target. Now, the position is not the target. It is the people who vote. लोक वोट मागता आणि लोकां जाय तो गव्हर्मेंट मेळटा. We have to respect the mandate of the people. Now, why I don't think there should be anybody. कोण criticize करता, कोण आनी कित करता. It's all part and parcel. This has happened previously, will happen now, will happen in future. But I look forward in having a good government. I look forward in having people, working more for the people. कित्याक काम करपा मनीस उणे आहाय आनी उलोवपा मातशें चड आहाय. तूं 27 कित्याक उलयता रे? आमी पयले वी हॅव बीन इलेक्टेड. I have been elected for this term. I have to complete what I have promised. If I complete what I promised, I can go for the next elections.
पण सीएमक एक एक्सपेक्टेशन आशिल्ले न्ही तुमच्याकडे सीएमन पण आधी सांगलेले रिजनल आमच्या सो आमका एक्सपेक्टेशन
I think the less I talk, the better it is. Just for the
Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.